Norton retired Power Eraser. As of April 30th, it stopped working. Cloud database updates have completely ceased. So what do you use instead? Let's look at the absolute best scanners. For over a decade, it was the go-to tool when standard antivirus missed something deep, especially rootkits. But now that it's gone, what do you use when your gut tells otherwise?
InfoTech. Stay safe, stay secure.
Norton Power Eraser has been a favorite emergency malware removal tool for years. But with Norton announcing its discontinuation, many users are now searching for a reliable replacement. The good news? There are still several excellent second opinion scanners available today. Each has its own strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases. Let's look at the best Norton Power Eraser alternatives.
Recommended second opinion malware scanners. With the discontinuation of Norton Power Eraser, NPE, here are some effective alternatives you can use as second opinion scanners alongside your primary antivirus solution. Kaspersky Virus Removal Tool, KVRT, a powerful on-demand malware scanner with strong detection capabilities and no installation required. Trellix Stinger, a lightweight portable malware removal tool designed to detect and eliminate a wide range of common threats without requiring installation. It is particularly useful for quick malware checks, emergency cleanup situations, and systems where installing a full antivirus suite is not practical. Stinger uses Trellix's threat intelligence and can help identify active malware, rootkits, and potentially unwanted programs, POPs, making it a valuable second opinion scanner for troubleshooting infected systems.
Spybot Search and Destroy plus Spybot Anti-Beacon, useful for malware detection, system immunization, and enhancing privacy by reducing tracking and telemetry. Spybot Search and Destroy can detect and remove spyware, adware, tracking cookies, and various potentially unwanted programs, PUPs. Its immunization feature helps block access to known malicious and tracking-related websites before they can affect the system. Spybot Anti-Beacon complements this by disabling many telemetry, data collection, and tracking features in Windows and some popular applications, making it a useful tool for users who want greater control over their privacy.
HitmanPro is designed to work alongside your existing antivirus and does not require installation, making it ideal for incident response and malware investigations. It uses behavioral analysis and cloud-based multi-engine scanning to identify malware, ransomware, trojans, rootkits, and other advanced threats that may have bypassed traditional security solutions. Its fast scan times and strong detection rates have made it a popular choice among security professionals and malware analysts for obtaining a reliable second opinion on potentially compromised systems. The free version allows scanning and detection, but malware removal requires a license.
Ultra Adware Killer, UAK, a lightweight utility focused on cleaning adware, browser modifications, and unwanted applications. It can scan and clean all major web browsers, helping remove unwanted extensions, toolbars, homepage hijackers, and potentially unwanted programs, PUPs. Its portable design and straightforward interface make it a convenient tool for quickly restoring browser settings and removing adware-related infections. AdwCleaner by Malwarebytes, specialized in removing adware, browser hijackers, potentially unwanted programs, PUPs, and unwanted toolbars. It is a lightweight, portable tool that requires no installation and can quickly scan for unwanted software and browser performance. AdwCleaner is particularly effective at cleaning adware-related infections, restoring browser settings, and removing traces of software that traditional antivirus products may classify as low risk or potentially unwanted. Emsisoft Emergency Kit, EEK, a comprehensive portable malware scanner with excellent detection rates, especially for advanced threats. It can be run directly from a USB drive or local folder without installation, making it ideal for incident response and system recovery. EEK combines Emsisoft's malware detection technologies to identify and remove malware, ransomware, trojans, worms, and other sophisticated threats that may evade traditional antivirus solutions.
ESET Online Scanner, a free on-demand malware scanner that can be used alongside your existing antivirus solution to provide a reliable second opinion.
Powered by ESET's threat detection technology and regularly updated malware signatures, it can detect and remove viruses, ransomware, trojans, spyware, and potentially unwanted applications, PUAs. The scanner is easy to use, requires minimal setup, and is particularly useful for verifying whether a system has been compromised without installing a full security suite.
Let's go through quick features, configurations, and settings overview of each scanner. Starting with Kaspersky Virus Removal Tool, one of the most powerful free second opinion scanners available today. Pros: completely free to use. Powered by Kaspersky's highly regarded malware detection engine, excellent at detecting and removing trojans, ransomware, worms, rootkits, and other advanced threats. Frequently updated malware signatures help maintain strong detection rates. Supports deep system scans for thorough malware hunting. Portable utility that does not require installation. Cons: relatively large download size compared to other portable scanners. Does not provide real-time protection. Full system scans can take a significant amount of time on large or heavily populated drives. Not the best choice when you need a very quick health check. Next, let's look at Trellix Stinger, a lightweight and portable malware removal tool designed for quick second opinion scans. Pros: lightweight and easy to download. Portable tool that does not require installation. Fast scanning compared to many full-featured malware scanners. Simple interface that is easy for beginners to use. Useful for quick malware checks and emergency troubleshooting. Cons: detects only a limited set of malware families compared to full antivirus products. Less comprehensive than dedicated malware removal tools such as KVRT or Emsisoft Emergency Kit. Development focus and feature updates have been reduced compared to its earlier years. Not ideal as a primary malware investigation tool. Next up is Emsisoft Emergency Kit, or EEK, a powerful portable malware scanner widely used by technicians, incident responders, and malware analysts. Pros: excellent malware detection rates against a wide range of threats. Portable toolkit that can run without traditional installation. Includes a command line scanner for advanced and automated workflows. Well suited for technicians, IT professionals, and malware analysts. Strong detection of potentially unwanted programs or PUPs and unwanted software. Effective against ransomware, trojans, spyware, worms, and other advanced threats. Cons: large download size compared to lightweight scanners. Initial signature updates can take some time to complete for you. Full system scans may consume significant CPU, memory, and disk resources. Can feel slower on older or low-spec systems. Spybot Search and Destroy combines basic malware detection with system protection features, while Spybot Anti-Beacon focuses on enhancing privacy by reducing telemetry and tracking within Windows. Pros: long-established and well-known security tool. Includes privacy and system hardening features beyond malware scanning. Spybot Anti-Beacon helps reduce Windows telemetry and data collection. Provides system immunization features that can help block known malicious or tracking-related websites. Includes additional system utilities and maintenance tools. Cons: malware detection effectiveness is not as strong as many modern dedicated malware removal tools. User interface feels dated compared to newer security products. Full system scans can be relatively slow. Better suited as a supplementary tool rather than a primary malware scanner. Recommended configuration: enable immunization to block known malicious and tracking-related domains. Run Anti-Beacon after major Windows feature updates, as some privacy settings may be reset. Enable detection of PUPs, potentially unwanted programs, if available. Use it alongside a dedicated antivirus or second opinion scanner for more comprehensive malware detection. Periodically review Anti-Beacon settings to ensure desired privacy protections remain enabled. Best for privacy-conscious users who want to reduce Windows telemetry, improve privacy settings, and perform basic malware scans alongside their primary antivirus solution. Spybot's greatest strength today lies in its privacy and system hardening features, rather than advanced malware detection.
HitmanPro is widely regarded as one of the best second opinion malware scanners available.
Its cloud-assisted detection and behavioral analysis make it particularly effective at finding threats that may slip past traditional antivirus solutions. Pros: extremely fast scanning performance, excellent second opinion scanner, cloud-assisted detection for improved threat identification, strong behavioral analysis capabilities, frequently detects threats missed by traditional antivirus products, portable, and does not require a full installation. Cons: malware removal requires a license after the trial period. Internet connection is recommended to take full advantage of cloud-based detection. Not a completely free solution for long-term malware removal. AdwCleaner is a lightweight and highly effective cleanup tool focused on removing adware, browser hijackers, potentially unwanted programs, pups, and other forms of unwanted software that can affect browser performance and user experience. Pros: completely free to use, extremely easy to use, even for beginners, excellent at detecting and removing adware, effective against browser hijackers and unwanted browser modifications, removes unwanted toolbars, bundled software, and pups, lightweight and portable with fast scan times. Cons: not designed to detect or remove advanced malware threats, limited effectiveness against sophisticated malware, ransomware, and rootkits, narrower focus compared to full-featured malware scanners. Ultra Adware Killer, UAK, is a lightweight, portable cleanup tool designed to detect and remove adware, browser hijackers, potentially unwanted programs, pups, and unwanted browser modifications. Pros: portable and does not require installation, lightweight with minimal system impact, effective at cleaning adware and unwanted software, includes useful browser repair and reset options, fast scans and straightforward interface, supports cleanup across multiple web browsers. Cons: smaller malware research and threat intelligence ecosystem compared to major security vendors, primarily focused on adware, browser hijackers, and PUPs, less comprehensive than full-featured antivirus and malware removal engines, not intended for detecting advanced threats such as ransomware, rootkits, or sophisticated malware. If Norton Power Eraser is gone, which tool will replace it in your toolkit? KVRT, HitmanPro, Emsisoft Emergency Kit, AdwCleaner, or something else? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every comment and would love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who wants a reliable second opinion malware scanner. Your support helps the channel create more cybersecurity content for the community.
If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel NB InfoTech, and press the bell icon to receive the notification whenever we upload a new video. In the comment, suggest to us more antivirus tests that you want. Till the time, take care. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.